Hello, welcome to our journey through Panama, a country known for its unique geography, rich culture, delicious food, and friendly people. Let's explore together. Panama is a melting pot of cultures, influenced by indigenous, African, and Spanish heritages. One of the most celebrated events is the Feria de las Flores y del Café, showcasing the beauty of flowers and the richness of Panamanian coffee. In Panama, we say, "La cultura es nuestra riqueza." Culture is our wealth. Now let's savor the delicious food. Sancocho, a flavorful chicken soup, is a beloved dish that warms the heart. Vamos a comer. Let's eat. Another favorite is ropa vieja, a shredded beef dish served with rice. Don't forget to try patacones, crispy fried plantains that are perfect as a snack or side dish. In Panama, we believe that la comida une a las personas. Food brings people together. The people of Panama are known for their warmth and hospitality. You'll often hear the phrase, "Qué chévere," how cool! Panamanians cherish family and community, and social gatherings are an essential aspect of life here. Whether it's enjoying a lively dance during Carnival or simply spending time with loved ones, joy and connection are always present. We hope you enjoyed this cultural glimpse into Panama. Remember, learning Spanish is not just about the language, it's about embracing the rich traditions and values of its people. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with friends eager to learn Spanish. What aspect of Panamanian culture interests you the most? Until next time, see you next time on our adventure through the Spanish-speaking world.